I'm so used to driving the truck. My truck is a Ford Ranger, it's American, and I'm so used to the gas pump. My gas, whatever, tank is on the left side, but on Japanese cars, it's on the right side. Oops, now I'm kind of feeling stupid. All right, so shout out to yesterday, we got a ride. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. I'm gonna take off the sticker on my truck. Shout out to Midwest Minis. I'm gonna put this sticker on my truck and I'm gonna replace it with Race, Eat, Sleep on the truck. Gonna get rid of that. And this is my 2006 Infiniti G35X. I don't get to drive the car as much as I'd like to anymore. Gonna take that VDC off. Today I am going to get a haircut. She sounds fucking amazing. Say thank you to all the subscribers. I reached 10 subscribers. I want to thank you guys for all the subscribing, all the liking, all the viewing, all the commenting, and if you guys are sharing, please share my videos. I'm trying to get, I used to have a channel, old YouTube channel. I had like 250 subscribers. I'm trying to get all my subscribers back so I can start back up. I got some pretty good stuff coming up for you guys. Like today, we're gonna go get the dirt bike ready. Should be pretty fun. No, it's not, it shouldn't be fun. It is going to be fun, especially taking a dirt bike to Mini Monday. It's going to be super fun. Also, it's a two-stroke, so riding a two-stroke is way different than a four-stroke. It's so much more dramatic. Alright guys, so this is my 2007 Honda CR85R. I have to rebuild the top end on it. That's why it looks the way it looks right now. It doesn't have the gas tank fairings on it, but that is the damage that happened to my piston. As you can see, that is not good whatsoever. The exhaust side is scored so much. There's so much carbon on the top of this piston, and then the intake side is just completely trash. So I had to do a top end rebuild, and I knew I had to do one, and I kept blowing it off. And I can't wait to get this bike back on the dirt or on the street, wherever I'm gonna go ride this. This is the new piston right here. We got Pro X piston, 85cc. It should be the stock bore. 85cc stock bore. I hope it's in pretty good condition. I hope, like, and I got a Wesco needle bearing. Wesco. I got their needle bearing. Got the whole kit. And then we got the new gaskets over here. It's pretty sick. And then this is the cylinder that needs to be either bored out or resurfaced or honed. There's some scoring in there, you can see right there. And then we have carburetor. Carburetor needs to be put back together. Yep, and then I have the stock ugly exhaust right here. This is the top of the cylinder head right here. Looks to be pretty good. Hopefully they can clean it up with their solvent tank or whatever they use. We got the power reeds right here. I was gonna order new power reeds, but I was just like, fuck it. Put these back on. They seem okay, but there's a big delay when you're trying to go in the power band, you know. But it's whatever. And then this is actually the spark plug, and so this is what it looks like, right? And I kept on putting brake cleaner on the spark plug. Every time it would die, and it would come out looking like this, and I'd put brake cleaner on it, and then I would take a lighter to it, and I would just burn off all that carbon on there, and it would just start up, and it would just run for like the whole day, and I'd keep going, even though I knew I needed a top end, and I kept blowing it off. So yeah, super excited to go to the shop. The shop that I'm going to is called Redline Cycles in Kenosha, and it's pretty close to where I live, so can't wait. And they say it should only take 1 hour to rebuild the top end, so that's pretty quick. And they said it was gonna be 170 bucks, so that's pretty cheap too, to rebuild the top end. So I told them why not, and I'll just give them the whole thing instead of waiting just for this. So let's get it. So I just got done dropping off the dirt bike. The mechanic is gonna hoon the cylinder today, so once that cylinder is hooned, he can tell me when he'll get the bike done. Unfortunately, today they are fully booked. He said if I would have came in on the day when I called, he could have had it done that same day, but I decided to wait until today. Why? I don't know. I figured Wednesday I would have it by Friday, but he said he probably would get done within the midweek. He said midweek, which really sucks because it's only like, today is 70 degrees and it's really nice, and tomorrow is gonna be like 70 degrees until Saturday, so that really sucks. But yeah, no further ado, he said it'll take him probably till midweek, and that's all I can do. I can wait. Hopefully he can get it back and running top notch, and I can break it in and I can get riding, and then we can hit the dirt. So that's all I got for you guys for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, or even share the video. Even if you just watch the video, views help a lot. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.